Hello guys, I greet you from RBTI Edgemead. RBTI Pretoria. We're in Pretoria now, off the Zambezi Drive. And we're looking at a tree that's growing from the rocks. This tree, the rocks broke down in sand, or rather sunlight came down, and sunlight shines on the soil. It fossilized in 6 years. For sunlight to become sand, it takes 6 years. And then microbes is in the soil. They eat the soil and they turn that to food for the plant. This tree is then maintained out of the soil. Likewise, if we plant a tomato tree and an onion tree and a potato, it grows from the soil. The plant only got what the soil has got. But God, being an alchemist of alchemists, knows how to formulate an onion and a potato and a carrot, etc. Witchcraft, pharmakeia, take man-made chemicals and make chemicals from those components, and then they make us pills, chemo and grandpa, etc. So like the soil is being formed out of soil, God made us from soil, Adam and Eve. So we exist out of 92 minerals in our body, of which a vitamin, amino acid, a protein, antioxidants, everything that forms in the Krebs cycle in the mitochondria of the cell in the form of ATPs, that become us. If we are maintained by the soil, if we plant tomatoes and onions in the soil, God's formula gets into our body and we are maintained by the soil. We've exchanged this for ShopRite, Pick n Pay, Woolworths, Food Lovers Market, which is genetically modified food. Should you look at any food in the shop you buy, you'll find no sting marks on it from a bee or a moth. So if a moth or a bee don't sting a plant, we also shouldn't eat it. If the bees don't eat it, we shouldn't eat it. But now we get these chemicals, MSG and tartanine and all the scrap, chloride, fluoride, mercury, estrogen, or rather not estrogen, uranium. Because all these components in our body that's causing havoc in our body. Our body then starts with parasites and viruses, and we go to the fenbendazole and ivermectin crowd. And it's a good product. I make use of it too. But that's not going to solve your problem. The only thing that will solve your problem is to get your body's pH to the way God intended it to be. And God lives in a 7.4 environment. Our average body pH should be 7.4. Our hair should be 8. And our bones should be 4. So all pHs differ. So don't go for fenbendazole and ivermectin. You can use it temporary. Fix your body's pH. pH is determined by these components in your body out of minerals. If you haven't got a mineral, no shop in the world sells organic minerals. No shop sells organic minerals. It's called mineral colloids. It's got an electrical charge. It exists of 43% alkalinity. It's made out of mineral phosphates. Phosphor is a particle that can capture sunlight and it stores sunlight. So you eat your light, you eat your electrical charge, you eat your calciums, and you eat 92 minerals. Do order your minerals from us. We are honored and proud and blessed to say we've got earth mineral phosphate colloids in a form of ions. Maintain your body. Get rid of the toxins in your body. Wash your liver, your colon, your kidney, your bowel. Clean your body out. There's up to 17 kilograms of waste that come from people. Get it out and get your body to a perfect pH, then nothing left. Viruses, bacteria, and AIDS are formed inside our body. It's not something we inhale, now we got a microbe. Microbes get formed like a worm become a puppy, become a butterfly. Your DNA, under fermentation, under acidity, forms a microzyma. It's 40,000 times smaller than a virus. This then becomes a virus. The virus then became a puppy. The puppy then became a worm. Flukeworm, tapeworm, roundworms, etc. They're not inhaled. Sometimes we pick it up in manure. If you play with animals, we pick up things from animals, especially house pets. My dad used to say pets belong outside like prostitutes. I don't say that, but yes, he used to say that. And he was a very old, wise man. And I'm honored to say I buried my mum at age 92 after looking after her for a while, my sister Antoinette. Maintain your body, clean your body, alkalize your body. Make a research Dr. Reams, RBTI calciums, and you'll see for yourself. Give us a call if you need us, 081 44 325 34. RBTA Health and Wellness, Pretoria.